All right, now I'm on the back side, P124 of the Go Math homework. Let's get right to it. For each gym class, a school has 10 soccer balls, 6 volleyballs. All the classes share 15 basketballs. The expression, there's the expression, represents total number of balls school has for C classes. What is a simpler form of the expression? So what is a simpler form? Just another way of saying simplify. So here's our expression, 10C plus 6C plus 15. They gave it to us right here. We didn't have to think, they gave it to us. We have 3 terms here. Remember, terms are separated by plus signs or subtraction signs. We have 2 of these terms have the same variable and the same exponent. So we can combine these 2 terms, and then to get 1 term, and then we still have the plus 15 because it doesn't share the same variable, so we can't combine it. I'll let you go ahead and finish the math on that. But again, if you need any additional help, please raise your hand. A public library wants to place 4 magazines and 9 books on each display shelf. The expression, there's our expression, and then it says simplify the expression. So I'm going to rewrite it, 4S plus 9S. I have 2 terms here. Remember, terms are separated by an addition or a subtraction sign. So I have 2 terms. They both have the same variable and the same exponent. In this case, the variable S, and neither one of them have an exponent. So I can combine these 2 into 1 term. Excuse me. I'll let you go ahead and do that. Number 3, a bag has 8 bagels. 3 of the bagels are cranberry. What percent of the bagels are cranberry? So the part, remember we're dealing with fractions here. We have the part over the whole. 3 cranberry, 8 total. We want percent, so we want per 100. So we can do it this way. Okay, and then solve for x by cross multiplying and then dividing. So we would do 8 times x is 8x. 3 times 100 is 300. Divide both sides by 8. That will cancel that out. That will give you your x. And then you change that to a percent. Another way we can solve this, again, with math, there's always more than one way to solve any problem. Another way we can solve this is take that same fraction, divide the denominator into the numerator, add a decimal, and then once you get your answer, change this decimal back into a percent by moving the decimal over twice to the right and putting the percent sign behind the number. I'll let you go ahead and do that math though. But again, if you need any additional help, please raise your hand. Okay, how many kilograms are equivalent to 3,200 grams? So we need our conversions. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. We want kilograms. We're at grams, which means we're at the unit. So we want to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So I rewrite my number and I move my decimal 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. So my new number is 3.2. I could add those 2 zeros behind if I wanted to, or I could just leave them off. Okay, number 5. Tony earns $200 per week plus $5 for every magazine subscription that she sells. Write an expression in dollars that represents how much she will earn in a week in which she sells S subscriptions. So, in 1 week, she's going to get $200 plus $5 for every subscription. We don't know how many subscriptions she sells, but if she sells 2 subscriptions, it's not going to be 5 plus 2, it's going to be 5 times 2. So the variable S is the number of subscriptions, and we want to show that it's 5 times the number, so we just put an S next to the 5. And that's it. It didn't ask us to solve, it just wanted us to write the expression. Number 6, at a snack stand, drinks cost $1.50. Write an expression that could be used to find the total cost of D drinks. So every drink cost $1.50. How many drinks are you going to get? Well, that's the variable, we don't know. But if you get 3 drinks, it's going to be $1.50 times 3. If you get 5 drinks, it's not going to be $1.50 plus 5. It's going to be $1.50 times 5. So it's 150 D, which that means 150 times D. All right, thanks again for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. If you're not in my class, you can post a comment on YouTube. All right, thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.